All right, my people. Well, that was a great one. Well, with what has earlier been gathered, it has been said that DSS releases 8 Igboho'S 8 out of 12, and the 4 still in custody. It's another serious one. Well, it has been gathered that the Department of State Services (DSS) has released 8 of the 12, 8 of Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, also known as Sunday Igboho, in its custody. Well, with what we have seen so far, the 8 released still sang the Yoruba national anthem even while in Abuja. Well, this is to tell you that this set of people know what they are into. They know what they are doing. That's Yoruba Nation Now. You could see the video. Yoruba Nation Now, Yoruba Nation Now. It's a great one anyway. Well, according to what is said, it has been gathered that lawyer to the detainees, SH0ÇK1NG, confirmed their release on Monday at a press conference in Abuja. Well, the detained persons have been in the custody of the security agency 61 days after they were arrested by security operatives in early July. Well, according to what had been gathered, it has been gathered that those released on August 30th are Abdulateef Onaholapo, Tajuddin Irinloye, Diekola Ademola Ayobami, Donald Utman Adelabu, Olakunle Oluwapelumi, Raji Kazim, and then Taiwo Tajuddin. The DSS, however, refused to release the remaining 4 persons, contrary to an order of the court that granted bail to the entire 12 aides of the Yoruba Nation agitator in the custody of the agency. Well, those held back by the security agency include Amudat Babatunde, Habibin Shitu, Jamiu Oyetunji, and Bamidele Sunday. While briefing reporters on the development, SH0ÇK1NG insisted that all his clients must be released in accordance with the order of the court, having fulfilled all the requirements for their bail. He also asked the DSS to give account for the 2 associates of Sunday Igboho who were killed on July 1st during the raid of the Yoruba Nation agitator's house in Ibadan, Oyo State. Okay, my people, well, with what we have seen so far, it shows to us how that the Yoruba Nation agitation continues. Well, the truth of the matter is, in a country like this, I see no reason why people would be agitating for separation to another country, of having their own country, if not for the fact that the federal government has failed a lot of us, if not for the fact that the federal government has failed its citizens. Well, someone was like, since a lot of regime had passed, let's put it in that way, a lot of regime have passed, and there's never been a strong agitation for separation from a country, from Nigeria. As it stands, as it is right now, it has been so woeful, and a lot of people have been of the opinion that you would not blame these people. You wouldn't blame them, because what has been going on in the country is nothing to write home about. And then the adage which says, if you push a goat to the wall, which meaning a goat does not bite, but when you push that same goat to the wall, the goat might even swallow. And then that's exactly what is going on in the country as we speak right now. You can't say these people should wait, should relax, that things will be done, and then unfortunately things are going wrong on a daily basis, and then that's exactly what it is. We cannot continue like this. How long are we going to continue like this to say, oh, peace will reign, things will work out, of which innocent souls are dying on a daily basis? That has been the worst scenario. The innocent souls have been dying on a daily basis, and then you want us to remain in this contraption called our country. That has been the agitation, that has been the order of the day. So this set of people have said it, that no going back. Well, to my own surprise, to have seen the released the 8th released Igboho'S 8 to still sing the Yoruba national anthem while in Abuja. That is to tell you that, hey, my brother, these people know what they are doing. There is God on their side. All right, and then as it says right now, majority of people are motivated. Good to go. Exactly what we are saying, what we are hearing. All right, my people, many things don't happen, many things don't share. All right, my people, well, I know a majority of people will be like, what exactly is going on in this place? What exactly was happening? Are you kidding me? That this set of people were able to sing the Yoruba national anthem without anyone stopping them, even while in Abuja after their release. And then some set of people have actually reacted in one way or the other. Well, according to what I have here, someone is saying that, oh, these people have no proved that they are not bastards. They have proved that after everything that has been done against them, they have proved that there is God on their side. Since they were not killed, they will continue the agitation. Well, my people, I think there is God anyway. That's what I think I can always say right now. There is God in their own part. And then as it is right now, this is a sign that we as our people in no time will jubilate very soon. Yes, this is a sign that every citizen of this country will definitely be happy as soon as possible. Yes, they will be very happy as soon as possible, because some set of people have sacrificed their time, their energy, their life for them. All right, and that is what it is, my people. Well, we should just keep praying. There's nothing prayers cannot do. That's one thing for sure. All right, my people, let me have more take from you on this one, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.